Happy Children's Day to all the loving students of Marthoma English Medium School. I pray that the Almighty God keep you in peace, happiness and joy. On this special day, I extend my heartfelt love for you. I wish you all success in the days to come. We shall soon reunite once the school reopens and celebrate this day. May the Almighty God keep you safe and healthy during these days. We love you. Happy Children's Day once again.
Hello, my dear students. Today is your special day. You are the world's most valuable resources. You spread love, happiness, and joy. You are the future of our country. So, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
सबसे सच्चा समय, दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा दिन, दुनिया का सबसे हसीन पल सिर्फ बचपन में ही मिलता है। इसीलिए मेरे अंदर के एक बच्चे की तरफ से आपके अंदर के एक बच्चे को बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। A very warm wish for every kid on this very special day. Thank you.
Hello, dear students. Every child is special in a special way, and so are you. You are the world's most valuable resources and its best hope for the future. Sending your way a bunch of flowers that blossom your life with love, happiness, and cherishable moments. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day.
To all my students, I wish a year full of happiness and playful times. Lots of fun and celebration times. Happy Children's Day to all of you. May God bless you and grant you a bright future. Thank you.
Hello, my dear student. Wishing a very happy Children's Day to all the students. Always remember that you are the reason for many smiles around you. Never give up. All the best for your bright future. Thank you.
हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, कैसे हो? आशा है कि आप सब अच्छे होंगे। आज सबको चाचा नेहरू के जन्मदिन के अवसर पर बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
If we want to see our future filled with happiness and harmony, we must teach our kids to be a good human being more than anything else. A child can always to teach and adults 3 things. To be happy, no reason. To be always busy with something and know how to demand with all his might what you want. Happy Children's Day to all kids. You are so special to us. Children carry the hopes for our bright tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. You are the birds in the garden. You are the star in the sky. You are the future of the nation. I can wish you a very happy Children's Day to all my dearest kids.
Dear children, you carry the hope for our brighter tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. Believe in yourself and follow your dreams. I wish you a great happiness on your special day. May your future be as bright as the light. Enjoy your day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
On the occasion of Children's Day, I want to wish all my students a very happy Children's Day. Childhood is an awesome phase, just like every child is awesome. So enjoy each moment of your childhood so that you can cherish these memories for a lifetime. Utilize this time to explore new things and get new experiences. Also try to learn good values and be better human beings to make this world a better place. God bless you all.
Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing good. First of all, wish you all a happy Children's Day. Children are the world's most valuable resources and its best hope for the future. Every child is a special in a special way, and so are you. You are the reason for all our smiles and all our happiness. So, my dear children, once again, wish you all a happy Children's Day. May God bless you. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you.
हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। बाल दिवस है, जन्म दिवस चाचा का, ये है हमको सबसे प्यारा। काश आज भी चाचा होते पास हमारे, इनका प्यार है सबसे न्यारा। आप सभी बच्चों को मेरे तरफ से बाल दिवस का शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you.
कितने प्यारे चाचा हमारे, सबको प्यार करते हैं। जब देखो वो जेब में अपने लाल गुलाब लगवाते हैं। आज उनका जन्म दिवस को सारा देश मानता है। सारा भारत में ये दिवस बाल दिवस कहलाता है। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे।
Children are God's best creation. They spread love, happiness, and joy. So, on this day, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Stay home and stay safe.
There are some things we can't buy. One of such things is our childhood. Dear students, enjoy the spirit of Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello, dear students. This is the time for some splashing fun, cheers, and jolly time for everyone because it's Children's Day. May the love and laughter always stay on every child's face. Happy Children's Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. In India, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14th November. Thus, we celebrate his birth anniversary as Children's Day in India. He shared a lovely bond with children and was very affectionate towards them. Children also loved and fondly called him Chacha Nehru. He also believed that children are the future of our nation. Hence, they should be nurtured and educated well. I want to inspire you all with a few words. Childhood is the best time to learn new things. Set goals and start working for them. Focus on your aims and all the best for your future. Thank you.
Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Children, you are the future of our country. So, on this special day, I wish you joy and success in your life. Happy Children's Day.
शुभ शिशु दिवस। आजिर दिनटी आम समस्तଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ बड़ गुरुत्वपूर्ण। आजिर शिशु आगामी दिनर भविष्यत। आजिर शिशु आगामी दिन रे आम देशर कर्णधार। शिशु हेउची देशर अमूल्य संपद। पंडित नेहरू छोट शिशु मानंकु कहिथिले, तुमମାନଙ୍କ सहित गप कले मु जीवनर सकल दुख भूली जाए। पुणी कहिथिले, मरिबाकु चाहे मुई सुंदर भुवने, बंचिबाकु चाहे मुई शिशुंक गहणे। आमे समस्ते जानिछे आमे गोटे महामारी रे पीड़ित अछु। ताहा हेउची कोविड-19 बा कोरोना। किंतु आमे हारी जिबा नाही। विद्यालय सिना बंद अछि, किंतु शिक्षादान व्यवस्था केबे भी बंद होई पारिबो नाही। तुमे माने मध्य पिला माने केबे डोरिबो नाही। आमे एही दुख परिस्थिति रे निजर सुख को आमे खोजी चलिबा। आमे एही समय रे विभिन्न प्रकार कथा शिखि पारिबा एवं विद्या अध्ययन रे निजको नियोजित करि पारिबा। मोर आशा और विश्वास अछि आर वर्ष शिशु दिवस खूब सुंदर भाव रे पालन करा जिवो एवं निश्चित आमे एही महामारी रु जीति देशर भविष्यत गठन करि पारिबा। धन्यवाद।
Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. You all are so special to us. You all are the hopes for our brighter tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. Wishing you a very enjoyable, happy Children's Day to all of you. Thank you.